guys, welcome back to the channel. And another weekend in the garage. So we're trying to get some stuff accomplished. I don't know what we're going to get done. Scotty's on his way over, and we're going to get to it. So yeah, let's see what happens. See you in a bit.
What do you think?
Nice.
Second opinion.
Obviously.
More mud.
Yeah. That's the thing. You put on a bunch, you end up sanding a lot off.
Right. That's the whole idea, though, is you just sand it all off until you get where you want it.
Yeah, well, I mean, it works good. Like, you got a low spot, you just fill her in.
What?
What do you think?
You don't like Bondo?
Yeah. You couldn't be a body man then.
What?
I really, maybe it is gonna be a bug, who knows? Never know. Even though you don't see it, at least I know it's right.
There you go.
I'm weird some ways, you know. Even though you don't see it, you know it's covered at least. Somebody pulls off the plate, you know it ain't gonna see it.
You know it's right. You know it's right, you don't see it. It's
Yep.
pleasing to the eye.
Well, that's what I mean, you know, you do it right, you ain't gotta worry. Okay, that should be good there. And then we get that finally sanded in, and
Go.
anything low, lay a little bit in there, I'll block this in. I was working on some custom cars years ago. I used to buy some shit called microcell.
What is that?
It was like some really...
Moved the jam out a little bit. Redid the striker. Door's sitting nice now.
Still got a little bit of an edge if you look at it from the front,
Yeah.
but it's not as far in. You know?
Right.
Like I said, could try going on here more, but
You know what?
I think it's right.
It fits good. It fits good here. You know? And all the way. And that's the key. So it could probably come up just a bit in the back. But
Yeah. They would probably have to put a shim underneath the bottom hinge, or inside the hinge,
yeah.
and that way it'll push it up.
Yeah, that looks good, man.
Looks better than what it was.
Right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, looks
And then I
awesome.
was thinking about different ideas for your roof.
Hey, we can't talk about that online. That's going to be top secret shit for later.
Right. That'll be a surprise.
That's all right.
Be like, wow, look what's up there now.
Them doors still, they do close nice on
It
this car.
seems like
though.
it pulls it up a hair, don't it?
Yeah, that's why I say I think it's down. Because if you look right here, this is down in this line. But this line, these two lines are pretty close. But if you look here on this molding,
Right.
it's down just, I mean,
Like a 16th.
about a 16th of an inch.
Yeah. Like I say, we'll see if we can maybe loosen this up here. Maybe we can get a thin washer.
I'm gonna put a board underneath it and put the floor deck and give it a little.
Could do that too.
You know.
Yeah, tweak the door. There's a little bit though. I mean, just as long as they don't mess with your gap up here.
Well, that's the thing is this gap is
It's on the
perfect.
money, you know.
Yeah.
You hate to mess around with
Yeah.
stuff.
You know what? If we go up, it's gonna close it up here.
And it might bring that point closer.
Yeah. So you know what? We'll just we'll
at the
live.
top of the door.
Hey, it's an old race car.
You expect some stuff to
Right.
be a little bit off, you know.
Oh yeah. Hell, the driver of this thing's a way off.
I think we all are.
Yeah. Right.
Everybody that's an old timer.
We're a bunch of crazy old farts. So
Yeah. But we get it done.
yeah. Right.
For sure. Come off. All right.
All right. Finally lay some tacks on that driver's side rocker.
For sure. You want to hand me the body hammer?
Yeah.
I got to tap it.
Yeah. Tap tap.
Yeah. Then I can put some tacks on. There you go. That's okay. We can handle that.
Sweet.
Look, we got plenty of
Oh
space.
yeah, we got plenty.
Yeah, so it'll work. That's all we want, baby. Okay, let me throw one more clamp on there. I can throw some tacks on. Cool. All right. Let's have a little fun.
All right, go for it. I'll close my eyes.
Okay. Well, as long as they can see what I'm doing. Might have been too sensitive. Come on, biggie. All I gotta do is see what I'm doing. There we go. Cool. Cool. Okay. Couple up here.
All right, now we go to the.
Cool. Isn't going anywhere.
Excellent.
Beautiful. We always like that.
Yeah, buddy.
Where are my batteries going in this thing? Shouldn't be. Well, I got the delay.
Why was it not wanting to?
Oh, I got the sensitivities all the way up. No
Oh.
why. I don't need that much down there. The delay's all the way up.
You got this. You got this looking good.
Yeah, at least I got the bottom on that side. And then we got this one tacked in right where it belongs.
Yeah.
So now it's just a matter of making those little filler cases and welding all that stuff together. Get her a bondo and all the rest of the bondo done on that side. And I'll bring the primer and the thinner and the gun.
She's looking good.
And next weekend we'll have both rockers primered and at least blended in there with the primer.
Yep, buddy.
That's why I was like, yeah. At least everything lined up. That's what I was happy with.
Right.
When I saw we put the fender on, that it matched the radius on the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I mean,
That alone was, you know,
right.
nice. Like I said, it makes it look like you know what you're doing too. Like I said, I'm glad that all worked out.
Right?
That's half the battle.
I know.
You know, when things line up, then you know you got it right.
Right.
Because then if you're jacking it around and everything else,
Yeah.
there ain't no fun there.
I know.
Well, it's more work then.
Yeah. No,
Everything went good.
it's looking good, man. She looking
Like I
good.
said, it took a little longer cleaning it up and get ready to fit in there, but
Yeah, but that's all right. I mean, you know what? It's
as long as you know
Right.
something could have won.
right.
So that's good. Everything's working.
Yeah, I got the drive shaft out today. Got the shifter out of it. Well, guys, as you can see, you know, we got that. Scotty got that rocker tacked in, and that's looking good. It's looking real good. So now I pull the fender off, and that'll go into storage because I don't want it to get damaged. And then we'll get the hood and all that, and of course support, and get the motor ripped out of this thing. And this side here is looking real good. So yeah, we doing good, man. So anyway, I'm gonna go crash because you're gonna see another video this week, and you'll know what I'm talking about when you see it. So we're gonna hit the road early. So peace, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Later.